Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to fix pending download on Play Store on Infinix Hot 4DI device. Well, sometimes pending download may prevent other apps from downloading or functioning properly. And fixing these issues ensure that all your applications can work together seamlessly without any compatibility issues. So, let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, you have to go to the Google Play Store app. Well, so in this page, I will try to install the application. Okay, and here you can see that it doesn't work. So the way to fix that, simply tap on profile icon at the corner. Okay, so now select settings option. After that, here you can choose network preferences and then tap on app download preference. Okay, lastly, select the first option. Well, that's the tutorial on how to fix pending download on Play Store on Infinix Hot 4DI device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.